10 reasons why long-distance relationships are the best. If you think that a long-distance relationship will only lead to devastating heartbreak, you're not alone. Millions out there have lost faith in this type of commitment, and many have sworn never to be in this relationship ever again. Unsuccessful long-distance relationships are so common that you probably know someone, or even just a friend of a friend, who has had their heart broken from it. However, think about these questions first. Are you willing to let go of something special just because others have failed? Don't you think that your love deserves a chance to prove itself? Lastly, is it fair to give up on something just because you're scared to get hurt? If you're about to be in a long-distance relationship, don't let go just yet, because you've only read and heard about half of the story. The truth is, being in a long-distance relationship can be the best decision that you'll ever make, and it can, surprisingly, offer genuine happiness that a traditional relationship can never give. Here are the reasons why long-distance relationships are the best. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button bell. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. It defines what true love is. True love exists, and it can be found in the most unexpected places and circumstances. Being in a long-distance relationship, for example, reveals a lot about our feelings for someone and how solid and genuine our love is for them. It's an actual test of love because it challenges us to stay strong and true to the relationship regardless of the distance and time apart. 2. It teaches you the value of patience. It makes you become a better person by teaching you the value of patience and understanding. Long-distance relationship teaches us that things will not always go our way and that we don't always get what we want whenever we want them. Nonetheless, all these don't matter because you'll still have each other. 3. It distinguishes true love from pure lust. A long-distance relationship will help you discover your partner's true intentions. Are they in the relationship to satisfy their physical desires, or do they love you for who you are as a person? Is it real love or just pure lust? The distance can give you an honest answer to this critical question. 4. It helps you focus on your own goals. It's such a comforting thought that you have someone who will be there to support and encourage you to reach your dreams, even if they can't physically be there to cheer for you. Most people in a relationship demand their partner spend time with them and even put it at the top of their priority list. Unfortunately, while it's normal for couples to want to be together all the time, it's also unhealthy, especially if you're both young and still trying to reach your own professional goals. Being in a long-distance relationship will help you live a productive and focused life, helping you achieve your individual goals while still having someone to go home to at the end of each day. 5. It gives you the freedom to live life truly. Most people with a romantic commitment can admit that they usually spend a big percentage of their waking hours with their significant other. While some of their activities are fun, being together all the time doesn't let them have the chance to do other productive things outside of their relationship, and it could be unhealthy in most cases. In a long-distance relationships, you have the freedom to spend more time developing yourself, your skills, and help you become more productive in both your professional and social life. A long-distance relationship can also let you live life at your own pace. 6. It tells you who your friends are. Being in a long-distance relationship can be emotionally exhausting. Sometimes you'll need your friends to cheer you up, and only true friends will have both the patience and the sincerity to be by your side, especially if you're not at your best. Being in a long-distance relationship will tell you who your true friends are. The friends who are willing to stay and listen, especially when times are hard. 7. It helps you express yourself better. Communication is the key to a successful long-distance relationship. You have to talk to each other and learn how to express your thoughts in words and actions. That's why you often have to create ways to help you understand each other without sounding redundant or boring. In addition, There are just feelings and emotions that you cannot easily share when you're physically together. Sometimes you're either shy or you feel awkward from just talking about it. However, when you're miles away and just talking over the phone, you somehow develop the courage and the confidence to be and say anything you want. 8. It teaches you how to let go. Long-distance relationship teaches you to let go of things you cannot change because of time or distance. It teaches you to be strong and emotionally ready to face whatever life throws at you because you know and have accepted that things don't always go your way. 9. It encourages you to be strong. You know when to give up and which battle to fight because you've been there. You felt loneliness, you felt a longing for someone, and the frustration over something that you cannot quickly have just because you're too far away from them. Long-distance relationship encourages you to keep holding on and to let strength give you hope that someday things will be better and you'll see each other again. 10. It makes you feel excited about the future. Long-distance relationship makes you feel excited about the years and days when you'll finally have the chance to hold them and kiss them. It also lets you look forward to a better and happier life together. You know that once you survive this most significant challenge in your relationship, you'll both be more assertive and better people. Most people don't believe in a long-distance relationship, but don't let their doubts prevent you from finding your happy ending. Good luck and stay strong. Enjoy the benefits or advantages of your long-distance relationship. The value of love is slowly lost when we have way too much. There's just no time to appreciate it. It is in times of separation and distance that you truly understand the meaning of love. Tiffany Health, please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.